Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 22nd to 26 September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So we can see 1.11% positive move. 3684.66 was the closing on Friday. So currently here we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In the weekly chart we can see a bullish candle with a medium body and a small and a medium upper and lower wick. So here small lower and upper wick we can see with a good body, and we can see all the weekly days. Here we can see a simultaneously of 5 consecutive green candles, that is a bullish candles in the gold chart. So we can see a good bullish momentum on the gold chart. So here the stochastic RSI is around 80 to 95 level, which is indicating as a overbought level and also indicating as a downside or a down momentum in the gold USD in the coming week. But currently we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data as well. So here let's talk about my opinion. Before that, let's open our 1-day chart and let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis, because I make such weekly analysis and upload every week, so that you get to know that what could happen in the coming week and we can prepare before before the momentum happens. So let's mark some important support and resistance zone. Few of our support and resistance zone I have already marked, and it has made a good range and also has been in a resistance for past week. So we can see a good momentum in the support and resistance area. So here let's mark the support and resistance zone according to my analysis. So here I'm marking some important support and resistance. You also mark some data. So here let's mark this data first. Also, if you're from India and looking for a good momentum or looking for a funded account, then I have already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can mark that important support and resistance zone, and accordingly you can trade. So here I have already marked some important support and resistance. I have already done with some important support zone. If you're from India and looking for a trade and you're thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Here's some support and resistance zone I have marked. So let's now talk about the closing first. Before that, I have already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there, and I also shared a 20% discount coupon that will help you to get 20% off on any challenges. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. I have also shared a payout withdrawal video, that is a live withdrawal video that I have made. You can also check that out so that you get to know that even the payout we also get in the funded account space. So here let's first talk about the closing. 3684 was the closing. Here the direct support is 3676. Here the direct resistance is 3690. After direct support there is a support of 3659 and then 3640. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 3700 and then 3720. So these are 2 important support and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for the coming week. Also, before I talk about my opinion here, currently we can see a good momentum in the past few weeks in the gold. But if I talk about my opinion for this week, I'm expecting a negative move, that is around 3659 to 3676. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. Currently, if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 3690 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this. Then we can see a good momentum till 3700, even a bit till this week we can see a momentum, but until unless we don't get a confirmation, we should not go for a long trade. We can look for a short trade once this level, that is 36.76, gets breached, and we can go for a short trade. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.